Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I make programming tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about user input in Python. What is user input? User input is any text from the keyboard, any type of click command, or any entry in a form. Learning to handle user input is no less than mandatory while learning programming. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to take user input in Python 3. So, taking a user input means asking the user for input. For example, suppose you made a program for a registration form. As per the way, whoever uses the form is going to input his information in the form boxes. That is what we call user input. Here is a program which includes user input. Here we declared a variable called age, where our input from the user is assigned. Input built-in function is used to read the user input from the keyboard in Python. Here what happens is, after you run the program, Python starts executing, but when it comes to the input function, Python stops executing and waits for the user to give input. In this stage, the string inside the input function pops up. In this program, what pops up is enter your age. Then user gives input. Here the input is the age. After getting the input from the user, Python continues executing. And finally, the age is printed using the print function along with the string written inside the print function. Here what prints is, age is 5. In Python, you have to write a plus before the name of the variable to print the user input. As you can see, this program writes it as plus age. In Python, input from the user is read as a string, no matter if it is a number or word. Let's write down our program in the IDE and see how it runs. Here is the variable called age, input function, print function, plus age. So you have to use that plus before the age to print it. Now let's save our program. Let's name it input.py. Let's run our program in the command shell. So you have to type your file name, which is input.py. My file name is input.py, and press enter. After pressing enter, this pops up, which is enter your age. So now what happened is Python stopped executing and waiting for the user input from me. So now I'm going to input anything, whatever I want. Let's write 6, and then you have to press enter again, and here it is printed. Age is 6. So this is how user input works, and all these strings we used here are to make this more meaningful and more easier to approach. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.